Hi everyone. So I have ordered shoes from Myntra and it's arrived all four shoes, all four together, but I haven't opened the packaging. I was saving my reaction and I thought let me shoot a video and capture my reaction while I unbox the shoes. So let's do it together.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
You're just gonna sit. Help me open. Okay, this is the first one.
Oh, it looks so good.
You liked it? Look at this, the bow.
I know, it looks so elegant. Coquette.
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 This is how I show it. Okay, anyways. So I ordered a beige ballerina, thinking that it would go with all of the outfits where I don't know what to wear what shoe with. So let me actually check if it fits me. Hold on. Oh, it does. Lovely.
Perfect.
Yeah, not tight, not loose. Perfect. Great. I'm so happy. I love this one. Right? Do you like
Yeah.
it? Nice.
Out
It
of
fits me
10,
also
it's
well.
9.5.
No, but I'm not going to rate. Anyways, I liked it a lot because a lot of times it has happened where shoes have arrived but they don't fit. So at least this one fits and it looks cute. It looks just the way I wanted it. So this one's a yes.
Yes.
Let's move on. My God, ripping it apart. Okay, this is the second one. And we have
White.
a white one. But this is a little unique. So what I liked about this one when I was ordering is that it looks like a sneaker and then it also has a kind of like a casual shoe situation going on.
It's like elegant yet casual.
Not elegant. I mean, I will not use the word elegant. What I'm trying to say is that it is a casual shoes definitely, but it does not have the proper lace detailing like how we have in sports shoes. It just has this kind of detailing and that's it. So I'm interested to see how it looks on my feet. I'm going to try it out and let's see. One sec, this is left or right? I think this is right. Let's check. Wow, this one also fits me so well, but let me see if it looks good. Either one side the lace is big, one side it's small. Okay, I can move it around. If I pull it from one side, I can get them equal. So let's see. What do you think? How does it look?
Oh, it looks good.
It looks so good.
Cool.
It actually looks very good. Wow. I can't show it in the camera. I'll have to sit in a very odd position. I'll have to put my leg up. So funny it would be. Anyways, it's about capturing the reaction. And the reaction is getting captured. So, this is also a pass.
Yes.
The third one. Let's see how this is and what we got. You like it?
Yes.
You like it? Oh, I didn't know that the bottom had shading work going on.
Oh my God!
So I obviously liked this when I saw it because it would go with all my traditional outfits, and I like that it was white. So it just, I don't know, I feel like when I wear white footwear, the feet look very elevated, like next level.
On the next level job.
Stuff. So white, I thought will give me that feeling, but let me see if it fits first of all. One sec. It does perfect. Oh, it's nice. It's not loose like that. Big fat strap is not loose. It's perfect. How does it look on my feet?
Good.
Am I laughing? Did you like it? You're laughing because of this or what? You tell now what happened.
I mean, like, it looks
But
good.
what of the shading? Anyways, it's getting hidden, right? The shading is getting only I know.
Only the
And it's under my. It's under my. fold.
It looks good. I like
Peach.
the design, but it kind of looks old fashioned.
Old fashioned, but then this is the look that you would go with, right? If you wear kurtas, you don't wear a lot of
Mojri.
kurtas yet. Mojri also is a good one, but this one was like at a lesser price. I thought, why not? And I didn't have this way. Do I have this way?
No.
Exactly. So let's go for it. And the fourth one, the last and the final one.
Yeah, boy.
So far it's going good, right? So far it's a pass for all three. I hope this one doesn't disappoint. I literally experimented with this one. Okay, Sophie doesn't know what I ordered, so obviously this is your reaction. Oh no, it's too heavy.
But still, it looks so good.
Oh, I thought you didn't like it. That's why you are making that kind of reaction. I feel like I'm at that age where I should wear a keto kind of shoe, because sometimes it's like comfort is better than
Looks.
like the heels too many times wearing heels gets a little irritating. So let's see if this fits me first of all. And it's got a heels, so I don't know, I'm already tall. It fits, but does it look good on me?
Yeah, it looks good.
Really? See, I've never had a black, even once I had a keto from Roadster and that had white straps. I've never had black. Doesn't look like old. My feet look old after wearing it. Does my feet look old?
No.
I'm just worried about the heels. Yeah, I didn't expect it to be so thick.
That's chunky. Chunky is the new fashion.
And I don't want chunky. I'm tall enough. It's literally so big. Like my height would increase by this. Anyways.
It's okay, that's heels plus.
So I'll keep all four. All four. Okay, we are keeping all four. Happy. Ordered all four from Myntra. All four are from the brand Shootopia. And they are running some amazing deals, discounts at the moment. So in case you're interested, do comment down below. I will share the link. If you liked any of the shoe and would want to buy it for yourself, so do comment down the link. Do comment down that you want. I'll comment the link. And I think that's it. We'll end the video for now. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.